Helen, which is our country?
India.
Which is capital of India?
Delhi.
How many states in India?
28.
Which year did India get freedom?
1947.
Which month and date we celebrate Independence Day every year?
August 15.
Good. Name 3 leaders of our India.
Gandhiji, Nehruji, Netaji.
Good. Who is father of our nation?
Gandhiji.
Good. Who is known as Kappaloti Tamilan?
VOC.
Good. Who saved our flag at the time of freedom fight?
Tirupur Kumar.
Very nice. How many colors in our flag?
Colors. Orange, white, green.
Good. In the middle of the flag, what is that?
Chakra.
How many spokes in Chakra?
24.
Which is our national anthem?
Janagalamai.
Very good. Who wrote our national anthem?
Tagore.
Good. Which is our national song?
Vande Mataram.
Good. Which is our national animal?
Tiger.
Good. Which is our national flower?
Lotus.
Good. Which is our national tree?
Banyan.
Good. Which is our national bird?
Peacock.
Good. Which is our state?
Tamil Nadu.
Good. Name capital city of Tamil Nadu.
Chennai.
Good. How many districts in Tamil Nadu?
30.
Good. Who is Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu?
Mr. Vijay.
Good. Which is our district?
Pukotai.
Our district collector.
Mrs. Anna.
Good. Which is your native place?
Ranimalai.
Good. Name your school in Viralimalai.
Little R.
Good. Who was first Prime Minister of India?
Nehruji.
Good. Present Prime Minister of India?
Modi ji.
Good. Who was the first President of Independent India?
Rajendra Prasad.
Good. Who is present President of India?
Murmu.
Good. Which is symbol of our country?
Fallen.
Good. Which is symbol of Tamil Nadu?
Temple Tower. Seviriputtu.
Good. Which is our state animal?
Vadiyadu.
Good. Which is our state fruit?
Jaipur.
Good. Which is our state tree?
Palm tree.
Good. Which is our state flower?
Sangandal.
Very good. Which is known as monsoon of India?
Mumbai.
Good. Which is known as monsoon of South India?
Coimbatore.
Very nice. Which is motto of our country?
Satyam Chete.
Good. Motto of Tamil Nadu?
Vaimale Venum.
Very nice. Clap hands.